So today I'll be showing you how to connect the JBL Sense Pro earbuds to your Mac. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is open up the case of the headphones, and then you want to tap and hold on one of the earbuds to put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. So it's basically a quick tap and then tap and hold. So on the touch sensitive areas of the earbuds. So I'm gonna do it on one of the earbuds. So touch and hold for a couple of seconds. That should put the earbuds in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you should be able to tell they're in pairing mode because they're going to be blinking rapidly like this. So both earbuds are blinking blue. That tells you they're in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now what you need to do is on your Mac or MacBook, go to the control center and then select Bluetooth and then go to Bluetooth settings. That's going to open up the Bluetooth settings window. Scroll down to nearby devices and you can see the JBL Sense Pro have been detected. Click on connect to have them connected to your Mac. It's really that simple. Once they're connected, you will see them at the top of the list, including the battery percentage. Now you can take them out of the case, okay, like that, and put them on, and you can now use them for audio output from your Mac. To make sure that the audio output device, go back to the control center, go to sound, click on this little arrow next to sound, then you should see JBL Sense Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.